Okay, so here's what it looks like when it's all put together. Make sure you put a cookie sheet up under there because, you know what I'm saying, it's going to run a little bit. But I took the last of it and I mixed it and incorporated it in. That's what that looks like, and I will be back with the finished product, okay? So, it's just like you're layering your lasagna. Your sauce, you know, your noodles, meat, same thing. Layer, 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 layer. That's what that is. Okay? Nothing different, like. But it's filled to the tilt. I'm going to pour some of this off, though. I'm going to take a cookie pan, a cookie sheet, and put it up under here. And hope the smoke detector don't go off. I'm going to set it on here. Okay, but first I'm going to just let some of it drip off just a little bit. I'm going to use my spoon and go in and get just a little bit off the edges. Just the edges. There we go. Just let some of it drain off. Okay. You do this my way. Busy. That's life for you. So welcome to it. So I'm just draining some of it off here, okay? Just a little bit. Okay. That works for me. That works for me. Clean it off a little bit. Right? Put it on the cookie sheet. Wait a minute. Good. Clean it off right. Make it look good. Look at that. Right? Let me clean this thing off here. And then I'm going to put some foil on it for the first 15 minutes. And then the other 15, I'm going to have to fall off of it. This will stop it from losing a lot too. Make sure your foil is on nice and tight. Okay. Like so. Again, I have the oven on 375. See how nice and tight I have that? Okay. So, I will show you the finished product when it's done, okay? I don't know why I'm always talking to y'all like that. Look, I'll be like, yeah. Okay. See you later.